If you're a freelancer, Google Chrome can be more than just a browser. It can become your ultimate productivity tool. With a few tricks and features, you can save time, stay organized, and make multitasking way easier. Today, we'll go through some Chrome browser tricks every freelancer should know. First, pin tabs for important projects. If you constantly have multiple tabs open for clients or ongoing tasks, right-click a tab and choose Pin tab. Pinned tabs stay at the left, take up less space, and won't accidentally close. This keeps your workspace organized and stress-free. Next, use tab groups. You can group tabs by client, project, or type of work and label them with colors. This makes switching between tasks faster and reduces the chaos of too many open tabs. If you need a quick mental reset, you can even collapse groups to declutter your browser. Another freelancer-friendly trick is Omnibox shortcuts. Instead of navigating to a website manually, type the website's name or a keyword directly into Chrome's address bar. You can even create custom shortcuts for frequently visited tools like Google Docs, Trello, or Fiverr. This saves precious minutes every day. Extensions are also a freelancer's best friend. Tools like Grammarly for writing, Loom for screen recording, and Clockify for time tracking integrate directly into Chrome. Just make sure not to overload your browser, or it may slow down your workflow. Don't forget, send to your devices. You can instantly send a page from your laptop to your phone or vice versa. It's perfect for freelancers who work on the go or need to quickly review something while away from their main workstation. Finally, make the most of Chrome's password manager. It securely saves all your logins and generates strong passwords for client accounts. You won't waste time resetting passwords or hunting for credentials again. These simple Chrome tricks can make your freelance work faster, smoother, and less stressful. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more productivity hacks.